Today I will show you how to transfer PlayStation 4 videos to your phone. So let's begin the video. Now actually PS4 doesn't support the transfer of gameplay videos to your phone. So in order to transfer gameplay videos to phone, we will use a method in which we will use the USB drive or flash drive. But to transfer the file in your phone, you must have these apps, or if you don't have these apps, you have to install them. So start off by plugging your USB drive or hard drive into the USB ports that are located at the front of the PS4 console. Now make sure you have these two apps, Capture Gallery and Media Player. Then I am going to press X and I will go down a little bit until I got these two applications, Capture Gallery and Media Player. Then here I am going to click on the Capture Gallery option and then click on the All. Now it will take me to the screenshots and all the videos I take during video playing. Here I will select the video clips at the bottom and now I will select any desired video. Now from this menu I will click on the play button and here I will able to select all the video or any video. Once I selected my desired video, now I will click on the copy button. I am going to click on the OK button and once I hit on it, my video will be copied to my USB storage. Here I will click on the media player and in media player I will click this option. Once I am there, now I will open this folder by right clicking on it. Now I have to again open this folder and once I open this folder, now I will again click on this folder and after that I will be able to see my video. Now eject your USB drive from PS4 and then connect it to your laptop device. Now you have to copy your video to your laptop and then you can transfer it to your mobile. So that's how you can copy your PS4 videos to your mobile phone.